I want to bring Howard back in this NDS one. You've supplied technology, protection technology, to companies like Sky, who've traditionally operated, as Gaia said, in a very controlled environment. Mm-hmm. I guess the concept of OTT and multi-platform, how is that balance between access and security? Are the technologies keeping pace with the new threats in this OTT world? Has the back door been opened up?
Well, I think the whole opportunity of OTT and as it were leveraging the benefit of being able to deliver services on an unmanaged network is an amazing opportunity for the pay TV industry as a whole. And I see that really as being a new service that can become part of the product mix, rather than, certainly in the short term, is completely replacing the existing ecosystem. So I think it's important, but it has its place maybe initially as a niche. So right now, I mean, just to give an example, if you take the iPlayer or Sky Player, for example, it's a really important service to consumers. It's not earning any money. Yeah. There's no money in it, but yet it's an important part of the product mix. And because it's open, I'm talking now in general about OTT, because it's open, and as Gaia said, there isn't these are consumer devices that don't have any special security hooks. There's a very serious security threat that exists that has to be controlled, and because it's going to be part of that product mix, and therefore it's the overall service that the operator is trying to build regarding consumers. So I think, there's no doubt that OTT does bring new challenges because it's open, and consumer electronic devices are open and have less sensitivity, as it were, to things like bootloaders and the ability to build in higher levels of security. But I think that certainly is something that as a security vendor and as a service technology provider that we build into our solution portfolio.
Right. At Nuritine, this is the genie out the bottle. Do your clients, do you have to say to them they have to accept over the top this mixed environment is there? That's great business for you, surely.
Yeah, I think our client not only have to accept it, but have to turn it into an opportunity. And
embrace it.
I like to use the OTT for not over the top, but on top of TV, meaning that pay TV operators can really leverage the widespread of nice devices and user alike, and deliver the best end user experience. And actually, the competition now is really about controlling the user experience more than it has been in the past. And so OTT is definitely an opportunity that both broadcasters, to enrich their offer, can leverage to offer more on-demand content, but even telcos can extend their reach using the open internet and serve content in places they are not necessarily having infrastructure in.